Just now it's too thin. Just now. But
Just now.
you know, tomorrow it's going to be thick again.
Yeah.
It has to do with the climate also in the museum, because if the water disappear every night, it can be for 1 bucket or 2 buckets next day.
What do you think?
Yeah, we're gonna. And then we can let it stay for a while, let it rest for 10 minutes and see what's happened. And then we can stir it up again with high speed. So the level should be tomorrow up to 7 inches. Then we are done. That's what we need.
It's thickening up already. I'm afraid if we add more mud, then on Monday when I come in, it's going to be a solid block. And you won't be here to help me, and I'll cry.
Well,
See? Look at this clump.
yeah, that's not.
You see it?
Should we keep putting water?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought that this will take 4 days, but it's taken 5 days. When they asked me when I wanted to go home, I said, I can go home Friday, but lucky, it was lucky someone told me that, no, you have to go Saturday because you have to be at the airport so early, so you can't work anything on Friday.